Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to insert video in PowerPoint file. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To insert video in PowerPoint file, go to your PowerPoint and then click on Insert tab on upper left corner. Then click on Video and then click on this device. Now I'm going to select my video and select the video file and click on Insert. The video is inserted. Now you can resize the video. I am minimizing the video, or if you want you can maximize it, and you can change the position of the video. Then if you want you can set a cover of this video. Select the video and click on video format, and then you will find here poster frame. Click on poster frame and click on image from file. Click on from a file. I'm selecting an image from my computer and then click on insert. Look, the image is inserted as the cover of the video, and you can change the style of your video. I'm changing the style. Look, the style has been changed and you can run your video from here. Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin. This is the easiest way to insert video in PowerPoint file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.